Welcome to room 606. I am Mr. Murphy. I teach pre-calculus and calculus. That's me. Let's do a quick tour of the classroom and go over our rules, our communications, our grading procedures, and the class materials that you're going to need. Walk over to the classroom rules that I have posted. Number one, I want you to participate, put away any distractions. Number two, check in by communicating, asking questions, and being respectful of others. Number three, I expect you to plan ahead and be prepared. This is not a course where you just walk into it without being prepared and without doing any planning. It's a pretty challenging course, and you want to make sure that you are on top of it. Don't fall behind in this one. Those are my office hours for now. I don't know what lunch period I'm going to have, and then at the end of the school day I may change that also according to my schedule. Okay, moving over to our class materials. The textbook we're going to use is going to be this pre-calculus book right here. You're going to need to come and get a copy of this if you are distant learning. That is a requirement that you come and get one of these textbooks. In addition to that, you're going to need access to a TI-84 plus CE is the one that we recommend, but a TI-84 is going to be required for this class. We will use the Desmus app also just to show you other options. However, this TI-84 is useful in our AP classes. In fact, they're required on the AP tests. In order to take them, you must have one of these calculators or one of the other approved ones. The notebook is going to be vital. You want to take notes. All of my end of semester exams, and some of my quarter ones too, will be open notebook. If you don't take notes, or you don't have a good notebook, well, those tests are going to be that much more challenging for you. Also, I need you to get these packages here of these dot grid index cards. There's one right here where it's opened up. That's what they look like as you get closer. You will need at least 10 of those. You probably want some more just in case you make some mistakes. Moving over to our communications. That is my email right there, brian.murphy@walton.k12.fl.us. We're going to be using Remind for flash messaging, usually 1 or 2 per week. There'll probably be a few more in the beginning as we get started, but then it tapers off quickly. My primary communication platform will be through Teams. The syllabus will be placed in Teams under Files. My grading procedures: classwork, tests, and projects make up the larger part of your percentage grade. Smaller percentage goes towards homework, quizzes, first pitch, and final outs. First pitch and final outs will be what a lot of other teachers, when you first come in and they put that bell ringer, I just call it a first pitch. Kind of stick with a baseball theme in this class. All assignments have at least a 2-day window to complete what was not finished in the appropriate time frame. Late charges start at 20% and to 50% if you turn it in at the end of any quarter. So even if it's late, just get it in before the end of the quarter, you can still earn 50%, or it becomes 0. You don't want zeros in this class. Those really hurt. Unexcused absence maximum grade is a 70%. That is a school policy. My classroom needs reams of paper and tissues. I do make a lot of paper copies for worksheets and for our projects, and tissues. I always seem to run out of those. I buy boxes and boxes and they still disappear. If you have any questions, just go back to the email here, shoot me an email, or get in touch with me on Teams once that is active. Thank you.